Welcome to my new garden patch, Homestars. We are in my squash garden patch, and I have 5 planters here. Now it looks like the little critters have been digging in my garden. But, anyways, we are here because we are gonna talk about these baby here. They are basic wooden planters, and they have been made from just regular rough-sawn hemlock, the cheapest thing I could get at my lumber yard here in the countryside. But guess what? When you make your wooden planters from basic materials, you don't have to paint them to elevate them. You can take them from boring or from basic to beautiful with this method that I am going to show you. Now, not only do they look more attractive in the garden and more cohesive, they also become more durable, right? So they're able to withstand the elements much more than if you just left them plain. Now, oh, a mosquito. Now, rough-sawn hemlock is one of the better materials that you can use that will withstand the elements more. But when you do this treatment to them, it elevates that and it helps you to have your planters around for many more years. Now, in the previous video, I showed you how to make this basic planter, which is done with 4 corner braces and the side pieces just screwed into the corner pieces. Now you can make your planter much higher. I started down here because I was doing quite a few planters, and it's going to take quite a bit of material to not only build the planter, but to do the treatment to the planters and also to fill the planters so that I can grow stuff in them. So next year, I am not going to put on another piece of lumber here to make it higher, but I will definitely fill these babies up a little more. So yeah, guys, let's go right into showing you how I did this treatment. This method is known as shushukiban. It's a Japanese way of preserving wood, so it's more resistant to the elements. Now you see how relatively easy it is to elevate your planter boxes without taking paint or toxic treatment to them. There's one thing I must tell you is that when you do the treatment, the fact that you char the wood will leave some charcoal, basically dust on the side. And so if you rub up against them, you will get black on your clothing. However, what you could do is either slightly sand them down, brush them off to get some of the dust off, and then you can use a sealer so that you won't get dirty if you brush up against them, right? So that is the main thing that you need to know. That's it, my friends. I'm just giving you another quick walk by this new garden space with all these treated planter boxes. You take care now. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for being here.